Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to be explaining you guys how to get to play Soulframe. Soulframe is a game that is right now in pre-alpha. It's like a closed beta kind of situation where you can only play if you get invited with a promo code. And how to get these promo codes, where there is two ways. There is a way that is kind of paying and another way that is kind of free. So first we're going to go with the paying way. You can become a founder and you can buy either of these. For example, I purchased this one. Either of these packs of 30 euros, which comes with a lot of like special things, like a new skin, which is in this game are called pacts. It comes with gear, it comes with some premium currency. It's really interesting to have one of them. That's why I bought one along with some of my friends. And these ones include each of these 2 extra codes that you can share with your friends. So when you're paying this 30, actually 3 people are getting access to the game from the same account. If you don't know how to exchange those promo codes, I'm going to leave a card up here to a video where I explain where to exchange these promo codes, okay? And the second way to get it for free, it's gonna be, let me go back to the homepage, it's gonna be by watching the Devstreams. So if you click here on Twitch, it's gonna show you the channel from Soulframe, where you can watch the Devstreams, and they share for the people that watch it for at least half an hour, free promo codes so that they can start playing the game for free and trying it out. So what I recommend is actually following them on Discord. I'm going to pull up their Discord here. And in this channel on their Discord, Soulframe News, they're going to post the next time that they're going to have a stream. The last time was on the 30th of January. And during this stream, you see, you're going to be able to get the codes. So that's really amazing. It's a really interesting game. I hope you guys get to try it. And if you found any of this helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving me a like, because it really helps me out. See you in the game.